Hi guys, this is Vanderson from MedLab VFX here. I'm showing my breakdown of the process of creating these splashes in Houdini, water splashes in Houdini for the Coca-Cola. This is a personal project. First, I model the Coca-Cola bottle in Blender, export the geometry to Houdini, and here in Houdini I prepared the geometry here, load the basic geometry, apply some drops on the surface of the bottle, like this, the small drops, water drops. After that, I created the bubbles inside the liquid to make some cool details in the render, like little refraction spheres. After that, I create some animation splashes here. Actually, I created 3 splashes, one for each, different for each other. Let's see with particles. Let's see that with this velocity. I created the first one, the second one, the third one. All looks different from each other. And then I remesh this to a VDB. And finish the rendering in Redshift. With simple R lights and a dome light and some material adjustments here. Create some materials for the look dev. That's my breakdown of this project. That's the final look of the Coca-Cola splashes. Thank you guys. See you next video.